Okay, friends, so in this video, I want to briefly explain how we, as a business that currently manages 6 distribution channels, in this case, manage the entire catalog from one place and control prices from one place, okay? So basically, we have a business here. Here are all its products. But the first thing I want to show you is actually the distribution channels. The business's distribution channels are 6 in this case. This business, our business, has a B2B website, a B2C website, 2 marketplaces that we work with, the representatives who work with the sales tablets, okay? That go to business customers and a physical store in Tel Aviv. These are essentially the 6 distribution channels of our business. Now, the challenge is to actually manage everything from one place. So if we go to our catalog now, okay, this is essentially the PIM system we created. In this catalog, I can actually go into each of the products and see right here in which distribution channels it is found. In this case, there is a product here that is associated with 4 distribution channels. I enter this product, you can see here, 4 out of 6, these are the distribution channels, and from there, I can actually manage this product in terms of its specs, its media, and basically all of its information, but its price. I'll show you the price in a moment. So basically, you can decide that each of the channels will work by default directly against the existing default, or we decide that, say, in Superfarm, I call this product a stroller for a child, and you know what? I want in Walt the same thing, to call it a stroller for a child. I can change the categories, I can change the label, I can do what I want for each product very, very quickly, right from this screen. Of course, it can be associated with any distribution channels of the business. Save, thank you. And that's it, we're done. If I set it back to default, it changes back to the default title. So this is how you manage the catalog very, very quickly. If I go from here, I can actually see the inventory, all the variants of the product, and from here I can actually also edit the price in the same way, in the same sales channels in one place. Here are the prices for this product in each sales channel, in B2B, in B2C, in Superfarm, Walt, and so on and so forth. So I can right from here adjust the price now and decide that it is 22 shekels, and here it is 10 shekels, and we are done. As soon as I installed it, at that moment, it goes out through the API to that side, in this case Superfarm, and is updated at that moment in the form of a webhook that I will tell you about in another video. Good luck.